In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attraction and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. Category 3. Category 4. To talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen, so you required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. All categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are